Alright, this is what I end up with when I was trying to copy an image. It's not going so well, if you haven't noticed. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to try to do a Bob Ross tutorial, and hopefully it is something better than this because I realize I can't paint on my own. So like, comment, and subscribe, ring that bell, and let's get to it. Okay, so instead of wasting another canvas, I'm just going to paint over it. And I am going to be using acrylic paint. The issue with this is that I have to add water to it, so it makes it a bit more complicated, but we'll make it work. I have the tutorial here in front of me. It's half an hour. Probably take me more than half an hour, but we'll see. Okay, so he has all the colors out, which I don't, and it's going to be complicated. Okay, so let's start off with blue. He has like a darkish blue, so we'll just go with that. My canvas is pretty small, so I don't need that much paint. Dab, 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 dab. Oh, way too much. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. Okay, I feel like this is way too dark. Let me just add some white. Hold up. No, it's too freaking light. Oh my gosh. Whatever, we'll work with it. Looks more purple than blue. Oh, you're going way too fast. You're going way too fast. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Maybe it would have been better if I had a bigger canvas. Okay, we're moving on to the mountain. The water looks so delicious. Okay, let's mountain. So he said black, blue, and some brown, but I got that, so we'll work something out. This doesn't look like his mountain. Okay, we're switching brushes now to this one. We're making trees. Shaking the whole damn table. I think my canvas is way too small for this. Half of the painting is messing up the bottom. Whoops. So we're just gonna keep going darker as we get more. Okay, that just turned black. Dang it, I don't have any fan brush. So reflection, he says to pull it down, but there's like no paint to pull down. I just added some water, and it just looks like mucky water instead of a reflection. It's just blending it together. Yeah, I don't think I'm using the right paint for this. Tap, 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 tap. I'm like ruining my brushes. And like it says, we're just gonna dab it. You're just gonna dab it all over. I keep starting to make big decisions, but when I put brush on the paint, it's already a big decision. You know how much courage it takes to paint when you don't know how to paint? It's something else. Do these even look like trees? Not really. They look more like green blobs. I don't know how to, but yeah, good enough. Because this will be an original. Bam! I'm just mixing a bunch of different greens right now because, let's see. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Okay, he just added a bunch of. Oh, he is going way too fast. And then I need some red mixture for this. Oh, way too much red. Oh, I had some red down there too. Oh, I should have used that red. Oh, it's such a mucky color. Ugh. Whatever. Dibbity dib dib dib, dibbity dib 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 dib, dibbity dib 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 dib. No blood her. Dibbity dib 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 dib. Oh, that's too red. Wait, I'm finished. He's finished the painting already? Mine still looks like there's a lot more that needs to be done. So apparently he's done. I am, on the other hand, what is this? These don't look like bushes. This is Bob Marley's version. This is Bob Marley's version. Hold up, did I just say Bob Marley? That is embarrassing. I mean Bob Ross. And here is mine. Does it look like the mountains and the trees and the bushes and all that? And the clouds? The clouds kind of match up with the mountains. It's a cute little painting. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I have like 4 other canvases I could paint on, so. Well, this is pretty cute. It's a little masterpiece, a mini masterpiece. So have a good night and a good life. Peace. So I hope you enjoyed my video of me trying to do a Bob Ross tutorial. It wasn't as bad as it seemed. It took me a while, but I eventually got it. I actually ended up painting the other canvases too, so I'll just show you how they look. So this is the one that I did of Bob Ross's tutorial. So I'm gonna do in the order that I painted, and you'll see it gradually kind of got better. And you can kind of try to guess of what it is. And I'll link the tutorial at the bottom. They're so cute. I just love these mini. I just love these mini canvases. They require a lot less painting, a lot less time to do. This is actually one of my favorite. I tried to freehand this moon and then I realized I effed up, so then I had to repaint it, and then I just took a circle and I traced it. And this one, I painted over this canvas like 3 times, and then I just ended up painting it black because all the colors were kind of showing through. So I'm just like, I'm just gonna paint a black canvas and then we're gonna do a black canvas style. Yeah!